guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this is like an awkward angle, but I wanted to share with you today how I'm gonna make over my fireplace for under $50. I have been trying to decorate it for Christmas and I just cannot stand it. And so I thought maybe I could just paint it all and it would look fine. But the more I've thought about it, I have another idea and I'm gonna share that with you today. We do plan to replace all of the rock with brick in our remodel, but it's just not the right time for that, and our kitchen is more of a priority. So if I can just make this look nice for the time being, I am excited to do that, and I think we can do that. So come along with me on this process. Before we get started, I wanted to just show how this all looks all cleaned out. I don't love the way that looks in there, but I'm hoping I can just fill it in with logs and it will look fun for Christmas. And then eventually we will, I think eventually I want like a brick pattern to go in there. We'll see. Anyway, we do want to keep this a wood burning stove, or wood burning fireplace, excuse me. People always correct me when I say that, but anyway, all right, now you've seen that, let's get going. All right, Erin helped me clear out the ash and soot that was in the fireplace, which I'm really grateful for, but I wanted to do this project by myself. I'm really trying to learn how to be a little bit more handy. I have lots and lots of really good ideas, but Erin is the one who makes them, who my husband is the one who makes them all come to life. But I want to get better at it, so what better way than just to start and to try. And I thought if I started on this fireplace and I screwed it up, it wasn't gonna matter because eventually it's all going to get taken out anyway. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to prime and paint he said whatever I'm using, I can paint the mantle, wood, and the fireplace brick. And he thinks that the things that I'm going to adhere to the brick will stick better anyway. So let's try it and see what happens. All right, I got everything primed. The mantle, I'm gonna paint that over there, and that wall white, and this wall white. So that was pretty easy to do. I don't look cute, but I just finished doing the last coat on the mantle. So let me give you a little sneak peek of that. And then I'm gonna show you what I'm going to do on this gray part. So it looks really good. I'm not the best caulker, but I tried. Erin, my husband, said I did an okay job. So an okay job is better than a crappy job. So I'm gonna take it. But here's the dilemma I'm having. I want to put these peel and stick tiles on this gray part, but I cannot decide which color I really want to do. I'm leaning towards the gray, but I really think the black and white would be fun too. So I need to figure this out so that I can get going, because I'm done with all of the paint except for I do need to paint another coat up there. But this looks good over here. I like the way it turned out. I need to touch up down there because I'm not the best taper either. So anyway, stay tuned. Which color do you think I'm going to pick? Put it in the comments below. Ooh, this is hard. All right, so this has been an epic fail, but I'm still gonna share it with you because I think that the wall, they're called floor pops. Can you see right there? I've looked at a bunch of things online about them, and a lot of people use them for backsplash. I just think for us, it's the kind of stone that it just won't stick to it because it's very uneven, and the fact that it's a fireplace and it's cold. So since this is just temporary, we're eventually going to be redoing the whole thing, but we are going to just put up this sheetrock with some construction adhesive, because that will hold that, and then we are going to put the tiles over the sheetrock. We don't plan to use the fireplace until we have it redone. So if you have a fireplace that might not be working and you want to update it, but you have brick or it's slate really, you could do this too. Or you probably could use a piece of masonite instead of sheetrock, don't you think?
Durarock, like
yeah.
the tile.
Yeah, something like that. Just something that that's flat and those floor tiles will stick to. Or you could just tile it. That would be your best option.
You're gonna go to that.
Okay, so we got the tiles on finally. They're finally sticking, hallelujah. But they're not gonna stick to this floor, so I'm going to paint it white and call it a day. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you love DIY projects like this and you want to see more, please subscribe. And if you thought this was awesome, give it a thumbs up. And I will catch you guys in my next video decorating this beautiful mantle fireplace for Christmas. Have a good day.